Hi guys, welcome to Helper Method Module 5. We have to open walk, source, main, Java, COM, ATA, and the public integer divider, right? So for step 1, we have to create a method called divide. The method name is divide. So in order to create a method, we should have a return type, method name, parameter type, parameter names, and the method body. So for this one, we know method name is going to be divide, and we have a two integer parameter names. Name is para name, so it's going to be integer 1 and integer 2. So for the parameter type, it's going to be integer, and we should have a return type. For that, let's get started. We can type our step 1 here. So return type, it should be divide, and return type, it should be double, and the name of the method is divide, and the parameter is integer 1 int integer 2, and then we have a method body here. In the body of the method, use an if conditional to check if the second parameter is equal to 0. So in order to check the conditional, we have to start with if second parameter is integer, right? Integer 2. The 2 equal sign to 0. If it's equal to 0, we have to throw a message, throw a new illegal argument exception, right? So we just have to copy this one, like throw new illegal argument exception with the message. The message should be in the parentheses. The second parameter cannot be 0. And we have a closing curly bracket here. After the if block, use the correct arithmetic operator to divide the first parameter by the second one and return the result as a double type. So our return should be a double type. So return result. So where is our result going to be, right? The return type should be double. So we should put double result. Where to? We have to divide first parameter by the second one. So our parameter is integer 1 by integer 2. But we want the double. So in order to change integer to double, we have to put double in the parentheses here, so that it's going to change to double result. After that, you can run if what you're doing is right. Just do run walk overflow, run workflow step 01. We don't need our statement here, like if it's equal to 0 through a illegal argument exception. If it's not, do this, right? So we don't need it. else here. So what is happening here? We have a double divide integer 1 and integer 2. If this one equal to 0, true the exception. The message second parameter cannot be 0. Oh, you have to end with the semicolon. And after that, we have to have a return result, right? Return result, okay. And we should have a curly bracket here when closing, ending, closing. Let's see. There you go. And then there's another trick. You don't need to type run workflow every time you wanna check your work. Only first time you need to type it in. After that, you can just click the arrow key in your keyboard, like a up arrow key, and then it will automatically run the command. Like I said, just hit the up arrow key on the keyboard, and it will say, hey, run workflow step 01. Okay, this is a step 1. After that, we have to go to step 2, right? So step 2, this method displays the calculation result. So define a method named print result below the command for this step. It should not return a value or accept any parameter. So for that matter, we have to do print result and no parameter. Declare an instant variable named current result of the double type, but do not initialize it. So for that matter, we can declare our instant variable. Usually we declare as a private. For this matter, we didn't. We will declare it without using the private access modifier. So we can declare that one right here. So declare an instant variable name current result, right? And it should be double type. Double type current result. But we didn't initialize anything here. After that, so we have a method, right? Sorry, this should be the method. So it should be y print result, and then there is no return value, or as they don't accept any parameter, so it's going to be empty parameter. And in the body of the method, we have to call system print out, system out print line, and the parameter should be current result. That's what it say here, method using current result instant variable as the argument. And closing curly bracket. We're gonna run step 02. And if it's able successful, so we can continue with our step 3. So there, we already have a method called calculate with the param type integer, parameter name number 1 and number 2. So in this method, we have to update the calculate method body. So it calls the divide method. We have to call the divide method, right? And divide method is divide, right? And then use the method to parameter in their listed order as arguments. So we have to use two parameter, number 1 and number 2. They said this method means calculate method. So we'll use number 1 and number 2 as a parameter. And then use the return value from the method call above to assign the current result. So wherever we call the method divide, it will return a value, right? So this whole thing is gonna be a return value. And we're gonna assign those to current result instant variable. So we're gonna assign current result to this invoking a method, because we didn't initialize in the first time. Now we will initialize it to the result of invoking a method called divide. And after that, next call the print method. Call the print result, right? So we will simply just type print result, and then we're gonna run if, oh my bad, it should be a step 3, right? So everything is successful. We can run like test all. That's all. Feel successful. Thank you guys. Bye.